Are you looking to golf every day and enjoy the fabulous Arizona lifestyle that goes with it? Let's take a look at this stunning home. This is 9424 North Longfeather in beautiful Fountain Hills, Arizona. This beautiful home has never been seen on YouTube before until now. Are you ready to live the lifestyle? Let's take the tour. Elizabeth Melikar with My Home Group Luxury. If you're interested in this home or others in the area like it, I'm here to help. And if you're thinking about selling your home, I'll provide you with a comprehensive marketing plan, including a video just like this, designed to set your home apart from the rest, beyond the average agent, and get top dollar for your home. I'll provide links to this property and to my website down below, or you can contact me personally. I look forward to welcoming you to Home Sweet Home, Fountain Hills.